Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and if it's your very first time here, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. On today's video is a super special video because I'm coming live from Malindi at Vasco da Gama Pillar. So this is one of the most prominent museum right here in Malindi. So I want to be telling you more about this Vasco da Gama pillar, what was the intention of the building of this Vasco da Gama pillar. So with me, I want to say thank you so much at first because we just hit 2k subscribers. It's just a biggest milestone for me. Thank you so much. We are heading to the road to 3k subscribers. Thank you so much guys. So yeah, at this place is very rocky, a rocky beach washed away by the sea, but both you can see both the sunset from this side, you can see both the sunset from this side and the sunrise from the other side when you are just at this place right here. So I'm going to take you there, show you how everything is. Yeah, and stay tuned and let me know in the comment section what you think about this place. As you can see right there, people are from fishing, you see. So I want to be telling you more about this place, how everything is. Yeah, we are at Vasco da Gama Pillar here in Malindi. So let me take you there guys, you know. Okay, so right here I have to check my drinking water, and right here you have to pass through this small place right here. You see, you pass this way. So you see this place right here. So you see the way this place is. It's a washed rocky place. You see, it's a washed rocky place. It's very rocky. This place is very rocky. I want to be showing you very rocky. So as you see right here, it tells you National Museum of Kenya, where heritage lives on. You see right here, the Vasco da Gama pillar was born in science, Portugal in 1460. Having proven to be a qualified navigator, he was chosen by King Manuel I to lead the expedition to India by sailing around Africa through Hope. So I want to be telling you more about this place right here. So without much ado, let me show you up to that place. I hope you see that. That's now the pillar. It's one of the most prominent monuments that were left here by these Portuguese, you know. Yeah, it's one of the most prominent physical reminder of the Portuguese influence in Kenya. You see the way this place looks like? It's very rocky, very rocky. So right here is where you can have an access to that great pillar right there. You see the way this place is? It's very washed away by this great sea, ocean. So water from the ocean washed away this place. As you see, now it remains that it's very rocky, very rocky. So you see up to that other place right there. So it means that the water reaches that place to the other side right there. But for now, there's no water due to the seasonal changes, because water do go to the different sides. Yeah, so with me, I want to say in other historical account, it's very big. The other side you can see right here. So this is the pillar itself right here. It has more than 600 years right here. So and right there, this is the Indian Ocean right here. So the main intention of building this structure right here, this guy was very clever, because the main intention of building this pillar was him being a sailor, or him being the main sailor. He wanted he built this site right here to be like I wanna say like to be the prominent thing that can be visible for the sailors, you see. So for those sailers from those Portuguese that were sailing from India, they could see this from afar, so that they could not be lost. So it acted as a bearing. For those people who did mathematics in school, we have such a thing like this that shows you like the bearing. So bearing is a mathematical term. The bearing, yeah, is a mathematical term that shows you, maybe you have seen like some like 60 degrees Celsius. So we use something like tan theta. We should use something like sin theta and cos theta to find the bearing. So the other side right here is very nice, but for the other side it has been washed away by the water out to that other place. You can see right there, people are just sailing. So the main intention of this pillar was to help the what we call like the Portuguese sailors to do what we call like to find their bearing to these coastal sites right here. So it's really nice. It played the very vital role during those days in 14th century. So the guy who built this thing was called Vasco da Gama. So Vasco da Gama was one of the Portuguese. Yeah. So most people confuse about Vasco da Gama and Vasco da Gama. So Vasco da Gama was the one who built this thing right here. As you do what you call like you follow history very well. You come to find that the other place is written Vasco da Gama, but the reality is it's Vasco da Gama pillar. Yeah. So let me know what you think about this place. Have you ever been in a certain place like this? Because it's really nice, really best. It's a site where you can come here, visit, chill, relax, enjoy what we call like the best view of this great Indian Ocean. So, and also you feel the breeze. There's much breeze from the other side. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this place. So I want to say thank you so much, and if it's your very first time on this channel, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. We're on the road to 3K subscribers. Thank you.